Hello dear children, good morning. Today I am going to continue your first chapter, Some Important Cities of India. In our previous classes you have learned about city of Delhi and Kolkata, right? And in today's class you are going to learn Mumbai. All of you open your textbooks, children. Open Mumbai concept, okay? See, this is the city of Mumbai. Mumbai is one of the biggest cities in India. It is the capital of Maharashtra. A group of 7 islands join together to form the city of Mumbai. Hence, it is called the city of 7 islands. Because of the 7 islands joined together to form the city of Mumbai, this city is named as the city of 7 islands. Next, its location. The city is situated on the west coast of India near the Arabian Sea. In the picture we can see here Mumbai is located in the west coast of India. History. Earlier, Mumbai city was known as Bombay. Mumbai has been named after a goddess of the local fisher folk called Mumba Devi. So, Mumbai name came from a goddess of the local fisher folk which is called as Mumba Devi. Government. Many important offices of the state government of Maharashtra are situated in Mumbai. It is home to the governor, the chief minister and other ministers of the state government. This is the chief minister's office in Mumbai. Getting to places. Do you know that the first train in India ran between Mumbai and Thane in 1853? Today, hundreds of trains connect Mumbai to all other cities in India. Moreover, there are hundreds of trains that run within the city. These are the local trains that carry people and things from one area in the city to another area. Mumbai also has the busiest airport in India. It is the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. This is the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. Industry. You must have seen Hindi movies on TV or in cinema halls. Do you know that most Hindi movies are produced in Mumbai? Mumbai has a large film production center for making Hindi films. This is the film city in Mumbai. This is famous all over the world as Bollywood. It is the world's largest film city. Industry. Other major industries of Mumbai include textiles, electronic goods, oil and medicine. Climate. Mumbai is located on a sea coast. Such cities have a moderate climate. Summers are warm and humid, while winters are pleasant in Mumbai. It rains heavily in the monsoon season. People. Mumbai is a cosmopolitan city. People from different parts of India come here to work and settle. Culture. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival of this city. People celebrate this festival with great enthusiasm and joy. Some festivals are celebrated only in Mumbai such as the Elephanta festival, Gudi, etc. Language. The main language in Mumbai is Marathi. People also speak Hindi, Konkani, Gujarati and English. Food. Pav Bhaji, Vada Pav and Bhel Puri are some popular food items. People also enjoy eating Shrikhand. This is Shrikhand. It is a sweet dish made of yogurt. Major tourist attractions. Gateway of India. This is the Gateway of India. Gateway of India is considered to be the starting point for most tourists who want to explore Mumbai city. Juhu Beach. Mumbai has some very famous beaches, namely Juhu Beach, Chowpatty Beach and Versova Beach. Marine Drive. Marine Drive is the major tourist attraction in the city. It is also known as the Queen's Necklace because of the beautiful lights on the shore of the beach. Nehru Planetarium. The Nehru Planetarium, the Hanging Gardens, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus and the Brabourne Stadium are other tourist attractions in Mumbai. Essel World. There are many amusement parks and water parks around Mumbai. Essel World is the largest and most popular one in Mumbai. Elephanta Caves. 10 kilometers away from Mumbai are the Elephanta Caves. These caves are famous for their beautiful rock cut sculptures that are very old. Museums, galleries. Beautiful tourist spots like museums, galleries, amusement parks and beaches make Mumbai a sought after tourist destination. So this is all about your first chapter, the city of Mumbai. Once go through the today's class. Bye children, thank you.